Today, we're uncovering hidden dirt and grime in the most unsuspecting corners of your home. Get ready to be surprised by the spots you might be missing. We're not just wiping surfaces, we're creating a space where joy and health can truly flourish. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. So, are you ready to discover the often overlooked areas that deserve a little extra attention? Let's begin. Dust bunnies. Those fluffy gray clumps that gather in corners and under furniture. They might seem harmless, but did you know they harbor a world of microscopic particles? Dust mites, pollen, pet dander, and even mold spores can make their home in these unassuming clumps. Imagine gently pulling your sofa away from the wall. Do you see them? The dust bunnies, often overlooked, clinging to the baseboards and nestled in the carpet fibers. These forgotten areas can significantly impact the air quality of your home. A weekly routine of moving furniture and vacuuming these hidden areas can make a world of difference. Remember, you're creating a healthier, more breathable environment for yourself and your loved ones. The kitchen, often considered the heart of the home, deserves our utmost care and attention. While we may diligently wipe down counters and scrub our dishes, there are hidden germ magnets lurking in plain sight. Let's start with the kitchen sink. Think of all the things that go down the drain: food particles, grease, and grime. Now, imagine the bacteria that might be thriving in this damp environment. Regularly disinfecting your sink, sanitizing your sponge, and running an empty dishwasher with vinegar can transform these potential hazards into sparkling havens of cleanliness. Don't let these hidden germ magnets dampen your spirits. Chapter 3. Bathroom Bacteria. Hotspots unmasking the germs in your sanctuary. Our bathrooms, meant to be spaces of relaxation and rejuvenation, can harbor unseen enemies in the form of bacteria. Let's shine a light on these hidden hotspots and discover how to banish them for good. First, let's turn our attention to the shower head. Have you ever noticed a slight decrease in water pressure or an uneven spray? Mineral deposits and even bacteria can build up over time. Next, let's pause and appreciate our faucets, those faithful providers of water. Germs can easily transfer from our hands to the faucet handles, creating a potential breeding ground. A simple weekly routine of cleaning the shower head with vinegar, disinfecting faucet handles, and washing the toothbrush holder can make a world of difference. Next, the hidden dirt in your bedding. Transform your sleep sanctuary. Our beds, havens of rest and rejuvenation, deserve a special kind of attention. While we may diligently wash our sheets and pillowcases, there's a hidden world of dust mites, dead skin cells, and allergens lurking beneath the surface. Imagine for a moment the countless hours we spend nestled in our beds. During that time, we shed skin cells, sweat, and even bring in outside particles like pollen and dust. Washing your bedding weekly in hot water is crucial to eliminate dust mites and allergens. Don't forget the often overlooked pillows. These fluffy companions also harbor dust mites and should be washed or replaced regularly. Consider investing in dust mite covers for your mattress and pillows. Chapter 5. Your laundry basket. A breeding ground for bacteria and how to stop the stink. The humble laundry basket, often relegated to a corner, plays an essential role in our homes. But did you know that this unassuming container can harbor a surprising amount of bacteria? Damp towels, sweaty gym clothes, and even dirty socks all end up in the laundry basket, creating a perfect breeding ground for bacteria and mildew. The longer these items sit, the more time bacteria have to multiply, leading to unpleasant odors and potential health risks. Avoid letting damp clothes sit in the laundry basket for extended periods. Regularly cleaning your laundry basket is crucial to prevent bacterial growth. A simple solution of soap and water can work wonders, or you can opt for a disinfectant spray for a more thorough clean. Remember, a clean home is not just about appearances, it's about creating a space where we can truly thrive. By paying attention to these often overlooked areas, we can cultivate a sense of peace, order, and well-being in our homes and our lives. Embrace cleaning as an act of self-care, a way to show gratitude for the spaces we inhabit. Leave us a comment below telling us which is your favorite hack. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.